guys, Running Kimono. So we're going to talk about the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place from Friday the 21st right till the 23rd. You can use digital coupons and get a lot of stuff really cheap. To explain this really quickly, items that are in the clearance section or certain other items, they are going to be 50% of cost. Pairing it with a digital coupon, you're getting items really cheap. For example, these Flintstone vitamins. For the next 3 days, an item that's $6.30 is down to $3.15. Pairing it with that $3 coupon, you're paying 15 cents. Digital coupons. It doesn't get any better than this. Today's haul is 100% with digitals, and I only went to 2 stores, and I really tore it up. So I'm going to show you UPCs, where I found stuff, what worked, what didn't work. Actually, I think everything worked. But like one haul I actually got for 9 cents. There's a lot of overage to be had and found. And if you just want to stop the video right here, open up your Dollar General account and scan one of these barcodes, this one for example, and then see if it's ringing up for 50% off for $3.15. Then you will know that your town is participating and maybe you can get in on some of these deals. Because I know a lot of you are probably like, where's the Walgreens matchup? Later tonight or first thing tomorrow, I promise. I am just, today's kind of a crazy day. We had some workers in the home doing some work on our furnace, and that was 3 hours of my morning, and the cats are stressed out, still kind of like coming down from that. I did hit 2 Dollar Generals. I hit one first thing this morning at 8 o'clock like a champ, and that was the most like pleasant experience. The manager couldn't have been nicer, and no issues, no problems, and it was just greatest shopping ever. If you want to go give me a follow on Instagram, I'll put my name down here. It's not Running Kimono, because the Running Kimono account was taken away from me by Instagram, which is like a really long story that happened last year. But I do have a secondary Instagram account, so follow me here, because I'm going to be posting a lot more finds and little things that I'm doing if you want to follow. But like lots of really good food, and you know, to get a box of 12 top ramen for $1. You know, I'm going to definitely be giving some of this to my in-laws, and then my mom really likes ramen too, so keep a couple of those for her. And I did find some of the soup, which is really cheap. We're going to talk about that. If you might have the digital for the Bic, there's $1 off, and these pencils are $1, so it's a freebie. I did this over a couple of cards too, guys. And then I did find my Jolt. I got the very inexpensive Flintstone vitamins, the very cheap 1 a day for men. Shout out to the freebie guy. He posted this on his Instagram. These are kicking out some overage, and this is found in the regular section. So it's like, I think like 76 cents for each one. Again, I did it over a couple of store cards. These were both kicking out some overage. Razors were really hard to find this go around. And then I got one of these really cheap 6-packs of the Olay. Money making Suavitel with digitals, and then I had a lot of overage from my Roto, and this is what I bought myself. I treated myself today to a new Swiffer because we have 3 cats, and I have a lot of the pads, but mine was broken, so I finally got another one. And then I also got some Texas Pete to grab more overage. So we're gonna go through the mechanics of what I did and all that stuff. I just gave you like the, you know, just the overview, and then I'm gonna talk about the coupons and all that stuff. Weather report for you guys, it's about 70 today, kind of a humid one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. So, and mom, let me know if you prefer to have the chicken or the beef, because I'm gonna keep a couple of these for you. So the first thing that we're gonna talk about is the top ramen. And I'm sorry guys, these were so high on the sky shelf that I couldn't reach them, so that's why they weren't in my video. This is a 12 pack, it says it's on clearance, and it's $1. So like $1 for that. And then just to show you the UPCs, if you wanna look at your store, grab a screenshot of that. This one is the chicken flavor. And so I had $8 of overage altogether for the Roto, and I did, I bought my Swiffer with part of the $4 for one, and then I bought a bunch of these top ramens with the other $4, and these are $1 on clearance. This is the beef one, guys. So for $1 each, I mean, that's a lot, and you know, some nice food. I know not everybody likes Top Ramen, but my husband loves it, my mom loves it, I think my father-in-law also loves it, so I grabbed 6 altogether. I used $4 of overage. I think I had to pay 2 for the rest, and I was really happy with that. And I knew this was an item that would get cleared really quickly, because when would you ever see like 12 of them for $1, right? And that barely ever happens. So, you know, I was really happy to find all of this, and there was still more in the store. I didn't buy everything, but I bought the ones that I wanted. I'm not a fan of the shrimp one, but they had shrimp as well, but I didn't buy any of that, just the chicken and the beef. So anyhow, that was Top Ramen. The next really good find, and I did this over 3 store cards, is the Campbell's Chunky Soup. The chicken noodle. I got 4 of those in case somebody gets sick in the winter time, and 2 New England clam chowders. Now these guys are, you have to buy 2 of them to make this deal happen. This is the UPC for the chicken noodle soup one, and then this is the UPC for the beef. So you buy 2 of these guys for $1.75. We have $1 off 2 digital, making it 75 cents for the 2, and that's a really inexpensive Campbell's soup. And I did look at the expiry date of these. They're at the bottom, and it's welded here. And as you can see, if this will ever focus, this is good till April of 2022, and I think the chicken noodle is good till next year as well. So I don't know if they're just changing the packaging or what, but if you can track down this soup and it's on clearance at your store, like, absolutely make it happen. Now this is not part of clearance, but it's just an easy little freebie. The big stationery is exactly $1. We have $1 digital, making it free. Okay, so I did this over 3 different store cards, and it's the Flintstone vitamins, and it is a 60 count. As you can see, it's on clearance for $6.30. So we have a $3 digital coupon, and utilizing that, these drop down to 15 cents. And I think the expiry date for this is next year sometime. It's like etched on the side. 11/12/11/21. So that's next. It's almost 1.5 years, so they must be changing the packaging or something like that, but just a really great find, 3 of the Flintstones. And again, I did that over 3 different store cards. For all of my deals today, guys, 100% digital. I did not use a single paper coupon. The next little dealio that we did, and the freebie guy showed this, and I could not find this one, and this one just magically appeared this morning. These are the men's 1-a-day multivitamin, and these guys are $3.03 a piece. The original price point is $6.10, and the expiry date is etched at the bottom here. They're valid till 2022, February. So we have a $3 coupon that's attaching to either or, and it drops it down to 3 pennies, which is crazy. And just to show you the UPCs for these 2 guys, in case you want to see, grab a screenshot when you're in the store. There they are. This guy was a little bit more. This guy was $3.60. Here is the UPC. That $3 coupon's affixing, making it 60 cents. One has 85, the other one has 60, so I think that's why it was a bit more. But, you know, still happy about that. The absolute money maker of my haul, these Jolt eye drops. You'll either find them at the front of the store or in the clearance section. They are on clearance for $1.50 each. Buying 2 of them, we have a 7 off of 2, so it makes it free plus $4 of overage. I did this over 2 store cards, and the overage from one of these purchases, I got 4 ramens for free, and then the overage from 2 of these, I have a little Swiffer that I got, you know, $4 off, so I thought I deserve a new one. And then I did this again over 4 different transactions, these Nivea lotions, and this is found in the regular section. These guys are $1.24. We have a $2 digital, making it free plus 76 cents of overage. Shout out to the freebie guy. He posted this, and it's an absolute spot on deal. And let's not forget, guys, I did this over 4 cards, so that's how I was able to get 4 of them. The Schick Hydro, this guy is $2.80 on clearance. We have a $3 digital, making it free, plus 20 cents of overage. And then we have the Gillette Skin Guard. This guy is $3.60. We have a $4 digital, making it free, plus 20 cents of overage as well. And just to show you the UPCs, this is for Schick. And this is for the Skin Guard. And at the store that I visited, I found 2 of these, and you're not gonna find a lot of them. There's very few, but I was happy to find 2 of them. Now I did have 20, 30 cents of overage, just a lot of little itty bitty overage. And I did grab this guy. And I only was able to find 1 of them. This guy was $2.47. We have a $1 digital, so it dropped it down to $1.47. And because I had so much overage from other little items and a lotion, I mean, I really didn't pay for this, and that's the only way I would get this, because I had so many from the last one that I got totally for free that paying $1.47 kind of makes you want to cry. But still, it was not a bad little dealio. And here is the UPC for the bar soap. Okay, now I only got 4 of these, and at one store I visited, guys, no word of a lie, it was on a sky shelf. You had to really look high to find it. So these Suavitels are on clearance for $1.35. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. I think that coupon's expiring on Saturday or something like that, so if you can find these, grab them. And it makes it free, plus 15 cents of overage once per store card. And I did this again over 4 store cards, and look really high for these 2, guys, because I mean, it's just great. This is probably the biggest expense of my haul today. It was the Swiffer Pet, and just because I had some overage from some other little items, and I needed a new one of these. This is $12. We have a $2 digital, dropping it down to $10. And I had $4 of overage, so I paid $6 for this. And I know a lot of you would be like, you should have waited till Saturday. But I knew that lots of this stuff that was kicking out overage, it would be gone by Saturday morning. So I got this little guy. And I'm very happy to finally have one, because I've been wanting one for a while. But I just wanted a deal where, it would be really, really cheap. And then for a couple other little deals that I had, where I had a little bit of overage here, a little bit of overage there. In the food section, this is a weird thing. In Michigan, it's kind of difficult to find Texas Pete. My husband loves this stuff. It is his favorite. And it's really difficult to find. They sell it at the Dollar General, only in the small one. They don't have a larger one. But I'm just trying to stock up on this so we don't pay $3 or $4 or have to order it online. But these are exactly $1 and valid till 2022. Hot sauce. He likes it with his eggs and stuff. He doesn't ask for much. So because it was just an overage item, so I didn't have a negative basket. Whenever you have overage over at Dollar General, you need something to grab that overage. So I think I got one for 9 cents, and one I had to pay 97 cents for, but I didn't have a negative balance. Even think about it, guys. If you would grab something from the dollar spot, and you don't have to grab Texas Pete, you could grab anything. This is $1.24. There's a $2 digital on this one. So it makes it 76 cents of overage. So you would pay 24 cents for a $1 item. Even just buying these 2, can you see how that's just totally worth it? So if you can't find anything, you can just do a little deal like that. It's still fantastic, and my husband will be really happy, and we have hot sauce, and I don't have to worry about it. So anyhow, guys, if you can make it out to the Dollar General, I would absolutely try and figure something out because this is just fantastic and I love this sort of stuff. I will be posting more over on my Instagram, but I just love this sort of like deal shopping kind of, you know, hunting for stuff. And I think altogether I paid $12 for all this stuff, and that includes the tax. And if you consider that 6 is for this, this is like, if we can exclude this, throw these two little lovelies in there, it's like $6 for all of this, which is like crazy and awesome. Good luck out there, guys. I'm going to link this video at the very end, guys, if you want to check it out. It's just the mechanics on the sale, how to load coupons, how to have a lot of success with this. Please check it out. But like, I know for the next 2 days, a lot of Dollar Generals are going really hard on this because it is an exceptional event. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.